Hello friends, welcome to Sql Query. Today we can check how to use user-defined table type in functions. Okay, so we have two tables, country and customer. Okay, so first we can create the table type. Okay, so first we want to create a table type that contains ID and name. Okay, just execute this query. Now we are creating the table type. Okay, now we want to write a query. We want to create a function. Okay, just we want to pass the table type data. So this is the table type. So here we are using create function name, and in the parameter we are passing that table type. Okay, that must need to read only. Okay, just like we are using the store procedure, just like in functions also we want to use read only. Okay, and here we are using the inline table function. Okay, returns tables and returns the just this variable, table variable. Okay, select the star from content list. Okay, we can just execute this query. Command executed successfully. Okay, now we want to pass just India and UK. We want to pass to this function. Okay, so how we can use here? First we declare the table variable. Okay, and insert this values to this table variable, and we are passing this UDT to this parameter and this this function. Okay, so select the star from function name. We are passing the UDT values. Okay, we can just execute this. Now we are getting the country list data, this TBL data. Okay, okay, this is the inline table function. Okay, next we can just check in the multi-line also, multi-variable functions. Okay, so here we want to just create a function name. Syntax is same, and here we are using the country list. Country data is read only, and here we are returning the table variables. At TBL, we are declaring the what are the columns we need, that we declare here. Okay, and we are just join the customer table and country list, whatever we are passing the data, that table list we are joining. Okay, after that we are returning this table. Okay, just execute this query. Okay, so here we are using two tables. Okay, and we want to just same like inline table function, we are just passing these data to this multi-value function. Here we are using select the star from function name and that table parameter. Okay, just execute this. Now we are getting the output. Okay, here we are passing the third country, then we will get that result also. Three countries, right? So here we are passing 1, 2, that is we are getting that country's details. Okay, thank you guys.